Look at that. Just turned it on. It's going to take a while, and then you have all these purple blobs. It's really cool to watch. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You just leave it on. Watching a movie, turn all the lights off. Look at that. Yeah. Today, I went to my local convenience store and picked up some Monster imported energy drink. I like Rockstar, and Red Bull's pretty good. And also been getting into the Jagermeister. Look at that, I even put a date. I finished this January 30th of 2012, and my aunt and uncle came over for about 4 or 5 days, and I went to the liquor store in our capital, and they had a much broader selection of liquor, and look what I got. So, see how big that is? Okay, that's that first bottle. Then you have these huge, I have two of them, 2 Jagermeister bottles. It's huge. Look at that. Huge. Look at that. And tell you the truth, I think this stuff tastes pretty good, and it gives you a nice buzz. And one time I actually got a really tall glass, for like milk or juice or something, and I filled it up with Jaeger, Jaeger, and I slugged it down. I was coughing, and it tastes like cough syrup. It's not thick, it's not like molasses, but it is something that you have to get used to. You can't just drink. But, yeah, I think I have a glass, this like beer mug, and I think I'm going to mix it with Monster tonight. I'm going to play some Gears of War 3, my main game. When I have nothing to do, I'm bored, No signal. Then I have Skyrim. That's an awesome game. And I can't wait until Mass Effect 3 comes out. I kind of wanted to pre-order it, but I think I'm just going to wait and buy it in stores, pay 80-some bucks for the, N7 edition, the most expensive, comes with all the goodies. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I have a lot left in there. So, tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like Jaeger? Are you going to get Mass Effect 3? What are your thoughts on the game? How do you think it's going to end? And Jaeger out.